Ciao Tesla people. I just updated the Tesla software with the update. Let me check here again. In software, all the way here is the 2024.26.3.1, and one of the changes was parental control. So if you go to safety and you scroll down here, there is a parental control, there is a tab new. Now it's off. So if you turn on, it appears this tab, and you can limit the speed. So, you know, here are all turned on. You can limit the speed, whatever speed you want. You reduce the acceleration. So the acceleration is set to chill mode. So you won't be able to accelerate very fast. And then this other requires safety features such as speed limiting warning, forward collision warning, and automatic emergency braking cannot be modified. Okay, so you have all these safety features. If you turn on this, they won't be able to be turned off, which is great. And then you can send a curfew notification. So receive a mobile app notification when a car is driven between 23, so the 11 p.m. and 4 a.m. Okay, so you can select all this. For example, if you have a teenager, or you know someone that you landed the car and you know that it's not the best driver, let's say, but mostly for teenagers here that or new drivers, of course. You want to have these kind of controls. It's called parental controls, but it applies to anyone you think they might need it. Okay, let's go back. So you basically turn on this stuff, and it will apply to all those features, which is pretty good. I like it. So please subscribe to the channel, turn on notification, put a like to this video, and I'll see you on next. Ciao Tesla people.